Nowadays, they come up to the ramp, they jump into the sky 45 foot. We gotta start this party off dancing, so here we go. DJ Jack, hit that. Before we get this slow party underway, we gotta give this.
Time for the chicken dance. One is a wrap. Come back for tomorrow for day 2. All right, we out of here.